everyone, once again, welcome back to our channel at the Homely Courses channel. Here we are making fruit chaat. This is fresh cream fruit chaat, mango fruit chaat we are going to make today. For this recipe, I have taken 2 big sized mangoes. These are Banganapalli mangoes. You can take these mangoes for this chaat. This is the best mango for fruit chaat. So you have to take this, or if you want to use another mango, you can obviously use that, but this combination is best. And here I have added fresh cream into my mango cubes. It is around 250 ml fresh dairy based cream. You can add any other fruit into this recipe, or you can use only mango like this, or you can change the cream, and you have to change this ingredient with fresh malai in this recipe, but in case of that you have to use milk. Okay, milk and malai should be in equal proportion in this recipe. So you can change the ingredients of this recipe. This recipe is having low fat content. Did you know about mangoes? This Banganapalli mango is also called as Badami Aam. This mango is best for skin care, so you should use this in your recipes. It prevents skin problems and gives skin glow. And yes, also use mint leaves in this recipe. It is also refreshing and healthy. And this recipe is healthy because it is having healthy ingredients, but it is not having sugar. It has natural sugar, which is good for our health. And the Homely Remedies is not only about the daily based home remedies, but it is all about our precautions and related to our health. We should use healthy desserts and dishes in our life. This recipe is easy, instant and quick, and you have to take sweet mangoes for this recipe. If you are making it with cream, you have to add chilled cream in room temperature mangoes, or you can also take it chilled if you want, but you can serve it at room temperature because this recipe is yummylicious and delicious. Avoid fast food and intake this healthy dessert in your life. Eat natural sugar to avoid disease in your life. Use 2 big naturally sweetest mangoes in this recipe. हमने यहाँ पर शाखों में पके हुए आमों का इस्तेमाल किया हुआ है, बादामी आमों का. It is not having carbide. You have to take peeled cubic mangoes, roughly chop it. This combination is best ever. Hashtag simple, easiest, instant dessert, no efforts to make it. This recipe is monsoon and summer special. Don't use this recipe too much in summer because this recipe is heavy, so don't use too much in summer. So much use of mangoes can cause pimples on your face or body. One more suggestion we will give you. Whenever you are eating mangoes, you should drink milk after eating mango. Some milk, like 1 cup after eating, you should use, and never eat mangoes without eating your meal or food because it can harm you. And also, if you are using mangoes which are ripened in carbide, you should keep mangoes in water for at least 10 minutes before using. After that, you can wash mangoes and then you can use it. Because of that, it will be clean and good. Carbide will remove easily after rubbing and washing it. Suppose you don't have any disease, but still you need or you should take precautions about your health. So be happy and stay safe. Use dairy-based fresh cream or desi fresh malai in this recipe, but don't use malai after keeping it in your fridge because it will have fat content. So you should eat malai at room temperature when it is fresh and refreshing. Fresh cream is having low fat content, so you can use it in your recipe and you can take precautions. Don't use too much cream also. That will be also not good for your health. You can take precautions against blood pressure and sugar by this recipe, but don't use too much. Remember friends, these precautions are for those who don't have any disease. So if you have any disease, then you should take precautions to maintain your health because we don't want any disease in our life, right? Yes or not? But if you have any disease, then sorry, this recipe is not for you. No chance to eat it, but if you are eating it, you should consult to your family doctor. But you can use this recipe if you are healthy and your sugar and blood pressure is maintained. So yes, the Homely Remedies is also about healthy ideas to take precautions in our life. Otherwise, this recipe is really yummy and easy for your healthy diet plan, so you can use it. Mango can boost your immunity power and it is best for skin glow. Mango is also having vitamin A and fiber. And what about mint? This is really refreshing when you are tired. It is having nutrition and it is good for diet plans. It is very light and good for your health. You should also use it as salad. It helps in digestion and it is nutrition rich. That's all about it. We will be back with another episode. Okay then, thanks for watching and goodbye.